out in December. This has a price range between $60,000 and $70,000. This one is $70,000. This has the moonroof, all-wheel drive, captain seating, and ID.Buzz first edition badging on it. Range is 231 with all-wheel drive, 234 with rear. You can actually get a little bit more, but they like to quote on the lower end because the heat, the air, the amount of passengers in the vehicles, and the weight all affect the range. 0 to 60 is 5.4 seconds.
5.4? Yeah,
and this has 50-50 weight distribution, so it's able to whip around these curves with ease. It's also able to charge at a level 3 charging station up to 80% in 30 minutes. I recommend you keep it at 80% to prolong the life of your battery. There's an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty on the battery. There are 2 charging ports at each seat. There's an additional wireless charging port right at the driver's seat. There is a USB-C port up there for a dash cam and a household plug under the passenger